Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need camera permission and a device with autofocus. Open the camera app or a dedicated QR scanner now. Point the lens at the code, filling the frame without cutting edges. Once it focuses, watch for an on-screen banner or link. That's the scanner detecting the pattern. If you see nothing, move a little closer or farther or tap to focus. Make sure glare and shadows are minimized and keep the code level. This helps the scanner decode quickly and reliably. Once the scanner shows a preview, pause to verify what you're about to open. Inspect the domain and any unusual punctuation or subdomains. If it's a link, tap the preview to copy it or open in a private tab if you prefer not to share cookies. For contact, Wi-Fi, or payment QR data, confirm the details before accepting, like SSID name or amount. If the scanner reads plain text, read it aloud to confirm. This step protects you from phishing and accidental connections. After verification, complete the action by tapping the appropriate prompt. Open the web page, add the contact, or join the network. Then confirm any permissions. If nothing happens, close and reopen the camera app or try a dedicated QR app. Sometimes background apps interfere. For persistent failures, wipe the lens, increase light, or print a clearer copy of the code. Damaged or tiny codes often fail. One troubleshooting tip: try from a different angle and distance. Small rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.